Hey everyone, it's Danielle back again for Rosetta Vera. I'm here today with October's Stickii pack. I believe this is the cute pack. Once again, I have not received the pop pack. I didn't receive last month's pop pack, and they said they were sending it out. And when I went to my box today, I have the cute pack, but not the pop pack. So we're going to see if it shows up this month, but so far this is not a good impression I'm having of Stickii pack. So let's get into it. Again, if this is your first time hearing about Stickii pack is a sticker subscription service. Every month you get a curated collection of stickers. They're usually based on a theme of some sort, and you can sign up. I believe it's like $9.95 a month, maybe $10.99 with shipping, because shipping is $1. And they come in 3 themes: pop, cute, and retro. I've subscribed to pop and cute. Again, I didn't receive my pop pack, but we'll see what happens. So in the Stickii pack, you receive this vinyl holder for the stickies. The thought is that you can put it in a 6-ring binder so that you can keep all of your stickers together. I haven't done that yet. I need to go to Target and actually buy myself a binder. And to be honest, I don't know if that's the best way to store them. So we'll see. If you get Stickii pack, let me know how you think that's working out. In this first pocket, you'll get a plastic ring, book ring. I mentioned last month that they're kind of flimsy, so I don't know if I've actually used that. And then you get a sticker that tells you the theme for the month, and this is pound OOTD, which means outfit of the day. So the thought is that you'll take one of the stickers off and put it on the corner so that you know what the theme is when you put this in a binder. In the next pocket, you'll usually find some sticker flakies and a paper clip. So this month it is a bow. And then it looks like we have some kitties for the sticker flakies. These are actually really cute. And I like the fact that they're on matte paper. These are really different. It's like a grumpy kitty. And it looks like you get 2 of each design and just 1 of the gold transparent ones. In the bottom pocket, you get a little pad. Let me take it off the plastic. That might be better for you to see. So this has some gold foil on it. Again, since the theme of the month is outfit of the day, it's more fashion oriented. So there's like a monster pocketbook. There's like I guess a strawberry frappuccino, peach tea, some sneakers, and a little outfit plus some makeup. There's also a sneaker patch. Again, I'm not really sure how I'm going to use these. They're actually really, really well made, so I want to make sure I use them in a way where they last a long time. I don't know. Maybe I won't use them in a project. Maybe I'll just put them on a bulletin board, kind of like a display in my den. On the flip side of the vinyl insert is where you find your long sheets of stickers. So the first sheet is a kawaii themed, I guess it's kawaii in fashion. So it's like a couple of girls on here, like a Fuji Fujimatic camera, instant camera, some socks, different color outfits. Okay, that's very thin. The next one is a transparent sheet of little dogs, it looks like. A couple of kitties also in different poses. They look like they have costumes on, like this is a chicken costume. There's a couple of royal dogs there. One in like a milkshake or soda costume. Here's some corgis. And that is by Super Corgi _ Jojo. I believe that's their Instagram. I'll put it in the description box below. The next sticker sheet is a collection of girls in different poses. The next one goes back to the theme of outfit of the day, and it's different animals dressed in their outfits of the day. This is actually really cute. Almost reminds me of like a comic strip, the style of it. So these are really cute. And then the final sheet is kind of like a mix and match kind of situation. So you have 10 of the heads, 10 of the outfits, and then 10 of the legs, and you can kind of mix and match what you want your animal to look like in their outfit of the day. So that's everything in the October Cute pack for Stickii pack. I actually like these stickers a lot more than last month's stickers. I think my complaint was I didn't really get cute, but if you've been listening throughout this whole video, I keep saying cute. So I think that this collection did a really good job of putting together things that were very cute, and also they really do fit the theme of the month, which is Pound OOTD, or Pound Outfit of the Day. If you've picked up Stickii pack and you've gotten the cute pack, let me know what your thoughts were on the stickers this month. As I said, I'm still waiting for the pop pack from September and my pop pack for October. So hopefully I'll get them within the next couple of weeks. Otherwise, I think I may be canceling Stickii pack, which would really suck, because I do like the quality of the stickers. I think they're really nice. I'm just not happy with the service so far, and the fact that I'm not receiving what I paid for. So if you've had problems with the shipping, please let me know that below too, because I'd love to hear if anybody else is having problems and how did they go about getting them resolved. That's it right now. Like this video, subscribe if you're interested in my content, and I'll see you guys next time.